Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can fix the access denied error in Google Chrome. So let's get started. If you're trying to open a website in Google Chrome but keep getting an access denied message, don't worry. This is a common issue that can be caused by browser extensions, corrupted browsing data, incorrect Chrome settings, or even network restrictions. The good news is that there are several simple fixes you can try, and one of them will usually solve the problem. First, open Google Chrome and click on the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Extensions. Sometimes an extension can interfere with websites and prevent them from loading properly. Go through your extensions and temporarily disable all of them. Once you've done that, try opening the website again to see if the error has been fixed. If the issue continues, return to Chrome Settings and select Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Choose All Time as the time range and make sure browsing history, cookies, and cached files are selected. Then click Delete Data. After the data has been cleared, restart Chrome and try accessing the website again. In many cases, corrupted cookies or cached files are the reason behind the access denied error. If you're still seeing the same message, go back to Settings and scroll down to Reset Settings. Select Restore Settings to their original defaults and then click Reset Settings. This will return Chrome to its default configuration without removing your bookmarks or saved passwords. Once Chrome has been reset, relaunch the browser and check the website again. If none of these methods work, the issue may be related to your network or location. In that case, click the three dots, go to Extensions, and open the Chrome Web Store. Search for a trusted VPN extension and install it. After enabling the VPN, connect to a server and then try opening the website again. Sometimes websites block certain regions or networks, and using a VPN can help determine whether that's causing the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the access denied error and get back to browsing normally. If this tutorial helped you solve the issue, make sure to subscribe for more Google Chrome tips, troubleshooting guides, and useful tech tutorials. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.